Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to talk about how you are going to entertain yourself and your family after the grid goes down, when SHTF happens. How are you going to entertain yourself and your family? Now I want you to think about this, okay? Especially if you have kids, teenagers, young adults, even yourselves. How are you going to entertain yourselves? There might not be internet anymore. TV, Facebook, YouTube. That stuff is going to go bye-bye. So how are you going to entertain yourself? These are some of the things that Sean and I do, even today, that we will continue to do after. Now, this is just a few of our books. Some of our games. And this is some of our, our movie collection. And cards. Cards are going to be important, I think. It's a form of entertainment, just like games are, board games. We're going to have to go back to how we were in the 80s, really, if you remember that. We didn't have, there were computers back then, but not like how they are today, where you can play, name some of the games that we play on the computer nowadays. Candy Crush, Angry Birds. Not going to be any of that anymore. So, think about picking up some games. We got these at Big Lots. I think they were $5 a piece. Pick up some decks of cards. I've had these decks of cards right here. They're so old that we put them in a Ziploc bag. There's got to be like 10 decks of cards in here. Some of them came from casinos. These cards, I want to say I've had these for a good 20 years. Pick up some good games, some family games that you guys can play, okay? Books are going to be extremely important. We are avid readers, obviously. Okay? See if you can pick up some movies. I think, you could pick up DVDs, I know, at like Dollar Tree, stuff like that. But go to Goodwill, go to Salvation Army, pick up some DVDs. I don't know if you could still get your hands on VHS, but pick up some DVDs. Make sure, you pick up stuff for kids as well as young adults, as well as for yourself. Like, we have some stuff for kids. Like, remember Gremlins? Okay, even young adults do like Twilight, okay? I'm just throwing some ideas at you. Pick up some different stuff from different genres, okay? Like Twister, some comedy. You want to throw some horror in there. Remember this old movie, The Boy in the Plastic Bubble with John Travolta? Remember Cannonball Run? Some classics, okay? Close Encounters of the Third Kind. You want to throw in some stuff that'll bring you back, to make you, I know this is going to sound strange, but to make you forget what's going on in the world and make you reminisce. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be important. You want to take your mind off of it and just let it go. Like here's a good one for kids, even for adults. Because this movie, I'm sorry, but the humor in it is hysterical. Finding Nemo. Okay? Like, these are my sons. Friday and, what is that, next Friday. See, Footloose. You want to get, no, Stormy. Stormy, look at him, he's being bad. Stop it. Stop it. Oh. Yes. Terrible. And where's Miss Penelope? Penelope Janine. There she is. Hi, pretty. No. Hi, Mommy. Everybody loves you. Come say hi. Come say hi. Hi. Yes, good girl. But anyway, yeah, I think that this is going to be a very important thing for people to stock up on is movies. If you can get your hands on VHS, I don't know. But movies and books and games, cards, board games, and things like that. But this is just, some of my honest opinion on what I think would be good for you to stock up on for entertainment reasons. Because, like I said, there's not going to be any TV or internet after everything happens. There's really not. So stock up now while you can. Go to Dollar Tree and get some of this stuff. Stormy, will you get this evil cat? Okay, that's all for this video. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Okay, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. No! She was saying bye. Okay. Bye.